Yeah. Great.
Wrong, you tell me. Folks, I want you at home to...
It's a red salad dressing!
He's so funny and cute.
Funded by collectors around the world.
Pieces of...
Atreyu and Artax had circus.
And of course, all of Madison's regulatory problems with state and federal authorities. The third cluster of issues...
All right, Joe Bud!
Here's your favorite.
Yes!
Joe Bud. Joe Bud here. Now, bowling balls. You don't need bowling balls. Sorry. Anyway, okay. You don't need fishing. Fishing is a strain on the shoulders and the arms.
Oh!
Trying to get that hook out there. Look at that. Bad for the shoulders.
Oh.
Don't need that.
You bet!
Tennis. You swing your arms? No good. No good. Because you can get tennis elbow.
That's
You don't
right.
want that, do we? And, of course, the ball. Ooh. Anyway.
All right, Joe.
Now, what I suggest on the couch potato workout is this. Simply, always have a jug ready. You don't want to have to walk to the back.
You bet! Yeah, Joe! Yeah! Yeah!
Folks. All right. You don't need this. This is too strenuous. It builds the heart. You don't need
Out of there! Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
Now, to start off with today, ladies and gentlemen, first you need a can of beer. Very important. Now, for all you sports fans out there, it's very important to keep in mind that while you're watching the play, you keep moving at all times, just like those football players. You
Yeah!
keep moving.
Oh, Joe, yeah!
Right now.
Show!
Isn't that a wonderful sound?
Ah!
First thing you do, are you ready now?
Ready.
Comfortable? Don't get too comfortable though. Gotta have enough arm movements. Keep
Yeah.
your friends away from you. Legs together close to you. Alright, ready? This is the beer curl. Okay? Tilt a little bit. Wrist. There you go. Just like this. Alrighty. You know what that reminds you of? Okay, up. Okay. Now, when you're done with your beer, this is what you do. It's light. Real light. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2. Okay, ready? Come on, up, 1, up, 2, up, 1, up, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Feel that? Now when it starts to burn, you gotta stop. You don't want to overdo it.
Right, Joe, right.
Let's check out that play. Here we go. That's it. That's the break. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Very, very good. Now, let's take a rest. Okay. All right, let's check our pulse. Okay? Now, in the middle of your workout, if by chance you get an exciting play, be sure to be careful. These can cause heart attacks if you're not careful, okay? All right? Here we go. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, now. Real gentle. Squeeze the hands. Very good.
Yeah!
Very good.
Yeah!
Hand-eye coordination. Whoop. Now breathe, breathe. Okay, here we go, here we go. Boy, that felt good. Yes, sirree. Gotta have those good belches, get all that stuff out of your gut worked out, all the foam, everything else. Now, if you have to go to the bathroom, why get up off the couch? Ridiculous.
That's right,
Stay where
Joe.
you're at.
You bet.
Watch the game.
I use mine all the time.
Use your water bottle.
Yeah!
Got a hole right here. Lay that baby in there.
Yeah!
Okay. Well, that's just about all the time we have for Potato Couch Workout. This is Joe Bud. See ya.
Bye, Joe! Next week!